What's up everyone? Welcome back to Auto Minute, where today we'll be checking out the Tymate tire pressure monitoring system. Now, a lot of newer vehicles already come built in with tire pressure monitoring, but many older vehicles don't, and even if they do, they usually just warn you when tire pressure is already low. This system actually shows you the live pressure for each tire in real time. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. We've got the TPMS display unit, 4 tire pressure sensors, lock nuts and a small wrench, this tool for replacing the battery, and the user manual. The sensors screwed directly onto your tire valves, replacing your standard valve caps. And the display unit plugs directly into your auxiliary power port. As for installation, it's actually very simple. First, you power up the display by plugging it into your aux port. Second, I'll make sure all my tires are aired up properly. Third, screw the sensor onto the tire valve stem of each tire. The sensors come already paired from the factory and labeled, so there's no confusion about which sensor goes where. Once all the caps are on, the display automatically starts reading the tire pressure a few seconds after they're installed. From start to finish, the entire install takes maybe 5 minutes. After using the system for a bit, it's actually pretty reassuring to be able to glance down and instantly see what all 4 tires are doing. If you've ever picked up a slow leak from a nail or screw, you know how annoying it can be not realizing it until the tire is already really low. As for the display unit, it has built-in alarms that will notify you if tire pressure drops below your set level, the valve sensor has a low battery, and various other sensor alerts. The screen is extremely visible day or night, and I've left mine alone, but if you wish to adjust brightness, you can do that by using the button here. So, a quick summary of my pros and cons about this. Pros: super easy installation, real-time pressure monitoring, easy read display, and for the price, it's honestly a pretty practical upgrade for folks without a TPMS. As for cons, because the sensors sit outside the valve stem, they're technically exposed to the elements. There is a small battery located within the valve caps, which could be a deal breaker for folks who want to set it and forget it. They've been great for me so far, but I can update after a few months of use. And because of this hardware, they're a little larger than standard caps. But overall, these are pretty small trade-offs for the peace of mind you get. Low tire pressure can hurt fuel economy, wear out your tires faster, and in worst cases, even lead to a blowout. So consider picking up one of these TPMS units today. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.